Simply connect to this website, do some offers, and earn crazy amounts of money. I did it. You can do the same. Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new way to make $1.5 every minute, and all by watching ads. This doesn't require any trading or any kind of investment, only you, your free time, and a smartphone or a laptop. These websites aren't geo-restricted either, so you can do this method anywhere in the world. But guys, make sure not to skip any step in the video, because if you do, there's a high risk that you miss out on an important step that would otherwise make your profit a lot higher. So guys, make sure to stick around until the end and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and also subscribe to the channel, because we are regularly uploading new videos about how you can make money online. And now let's jump into the first step. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. So for the first step of our method today, we're gonna connect to Scarlet Clicks, and it is over at scarlet-clicks.info. And this website is going to help us tremendously today in our initiative to make some money online. And as you can see, these guys have been in the business for a long time now, because they have paid over $2.5 million to their users. And they accumulated over 1 million members on this website, so these are some great figures. And if you've been wondering how you can earn money here, it is very simple. As you can see, you can click on ads and get paid up to $0.01 each. And also you can get up to 100% referral earnings, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. So as we said, clicking ads, completing offers, referring new members, and they've got plenty of options in which you can cash out, and those are Skrill, Neteller, Payeer, RTM, and Bitcoin account. Unfortunately, there is no PayPal option yet, but I think they're working on it. And the sweet thing that I absolutely love here is that the minimum cash out threshold is only $2. So that means as soon as you get to $2, which would be very fast, you can cash out your money. And you don't have to wait until the end of the month or the end of the week. You can cash out whenever you like it. And while we talk about payments, let's actually scroll down a little bit where we can find their proof of payment, so we can see that these guys are pretty legit. And here we got some figures. As you can see, I'm recording this video on June 30th, so that is today. And for example, this first guy used RTM and withdrew $32. But there are many down there. As you can see, people are using all of these methods, Bitcoin, Payeer, Faucet Pay as well, and different figures of money here. So 32, 13, 9. So we can see that plenty of people are making money on this website. And if you click here, you can see that there are 10 pages of these payment proofs. So we can conclude that these guys are actually paying money. And now in order to start using the website, we need to click on the register button, which is located here. After that, you would just have to enter in some general information about yourself, as full name, email address, date of birth, username, password, and you gotta choose your payment account. But I think you can do that later. For now, I just want you to know that you need to enter in a valid email address, because they're going to send you a confirmation link or validation link, however you want to call it, and you need to click on that in order to start using this website and making some money. After you log into your account, you would have to enter a security question so you can use it whenever you lose your account or something like that. So here, just enter your personal question, and over here your personal answer, and click on the send button. And once you do everything correctly, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So here you can track your earnings in these boxes. Over here you can see how many you earned, you can see your referral stats, and many other information. But now we want to move to the second step of the method, and that is earning money on this website. And right now I'm gonna show you exactly how we can do it. For start, we just need to click on the Earn More section over here and choose the first option, which is entitled Scarlet Grid. And as you can see, this is a picture, but it has plenty of little boxes in it. So if we put it in the right down corner here, you can see that there are 20 times 28 boxes here. So that's 560 boxes, which means 560 opportunities for making money. And as you can see on the right hand side here, you can see the recent winners of this grid. But we'll leave that for now and get back to this grid. So if we click on any of these, for example, this one, we will get redirected to another page. And here it's just some ad, and you need to stay on it for a certain amount of seconds and you're gonna earn money. It's very simple. And of course, when you click on certain ads, your balance will grow, and you also have an opportunity to win $1,000 jackpot, which we didn't win this time, but you can win it. And if we go back, the picture is changed, but this box is now red, which means we can't click on it today, but tomorrow it will refresh and you will get another 560 boxes to click on. And for example, let's just click on one more. So for example, this one, and here you just have to stay for a certain amount of time and you're gonna earn money. You don't have to do anything on this website. All you have to do is wait for a bit and this message will show up and it says your click has been validated, but you were not a winner this time, which means we got our money for clicking on ad, but we didn't win $1,000 jackpot, and we have 18 chances left for today. But that is 18 chances for $1,000, but we get 0.02 for each click and seen ad, so it accumulates very fast. And another way that we can earn money on this website is clicking on the Earn More section once again and clicking on one ad. And here in this offer wall section down here, you have plenty of ads to watch and you can earn these amounts of money, and it will accumulate really fast. As you can see, there are thousands of these ads, and all you have to do is invest your free time in it and you'll earn money. As you can see, there are plenty of these ads and you will never run out of these. So the more time you have, the more time you're willing to invest in this method, the more money you're gonna generate. It's that simple. So it all comes down to how hard working you are and how serious you can be about this method. And of course, different people will have different results, and that's because some people don't have enough patience and don't have enough will to work for this, and of course those kind of people will not get paid. But if you stay patient and take your time seriously and invest in this method, you're gonna get some serious amounts of money. And of course, these guys have generous referral program, because as you saw on homepage, you can get up to 100% of your referrals earnings, and you can do that by simply clicking on direct referrals, or you can rent referrals over here, even buy them. So this site has plenty of options you can do. And if you get to $2 and you want to withdraw your money, you would simply have to click on the withdraw button over here, enter your account details, and you're all set. But the thing I want to show you is that they have great support section, and let's actually click on that. And here you can find their support tickets, and from my experience, they're very fast, very responsive, and very helpful. So if you encounter any problems on the website regarding offer walls or withdrawing your money, you just submit your ticket and they will answer in no time. They are so kind and polite, and they will solve your problems very fast, and you won't be bothered by it at all. Also, you can click on the forum section, and here you can find some general discussions and payment proofs as well. And here people post their payment proofs, so you guys can see that these guys are legit and that they are indeed paying money. So let's click on the first one, and this guy says it is his 50th payment. And right here we can see that he used Payeer and that he received $31 in US dollars. So that's a screenshot of his payment details, and we can see that this guy actually made a lot of money doing this. Let's just calculate if this is his 50th payment. So 50th payment times $30, let's say he earned $1,500 already on this website, and that's some nice amount of money. And there are plenty of these payment proofs, as you can see, plenty of pages here, so we can be sure that we can make some real money on this website. And one more section I wanted to show you guys is this PDSU, which stands for paid to sign up offers. And here you simply can sign up on some pages and you will earn these amounts of money. So if you do them all, it will quickly accumulate, and that's some extra income, but that's up to you. If you don't want, you can stick to Scarlet Grid and others and earn money that way. But the main thing, guys, the most important one is that you take action. You need to start monetizing your time online because everyone else is doing it. Everyone else is making money online and they're earning crazy amounts of money, and you have to start doing it as well, because if you don't, you will be left out. And I don't want that to happen to you guys. So go out there, take action, and I will see you next time.